Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment below and press the bell icon, so when I post my new video, so that the notification will get you first. Let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture. You can see the wall, white color wall, the pink color rose, and all beautiful rose, looking very beautiful. This also pink color bathroom. You can see the place. You can keep anything, shampoo and all. Very beautiful place, looking very good. This also you can see very beautiful. The white big house, luxury mansion, very beautiful, very beautiful. This one is also very beautiful. You can see the beautiful floor and the roof. You can see the wall and all, very beautiful decoration, expensive, very good. This one also very beautiful. You can see the black color wall and all, and the floor. You can see roof. You can see the beautiful stars and all. You can see the decoration is very beautiful, very good. This one also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the lights and all, very good lights, looking very beautiful. Lights, the floor, you can see beautiful floor and all, very good. So also you can see the pink color wall and the mirror. You can see the door. You can see beautiful door and all, very beautiful, looking very beautiful. So also you can see beautiful bathroom, very beautiful looking, good look. This is also very beautiful. You can see the good bathroom. You can see the mirror, the wall decoration, and all ideas. Very beautiful ideas and decoration. I like this also. This also is very also beautiful. You can see the floor. You can see shining floor, and the bathroom is of glass, made of glass. Very beautiful. Mirror, very beautiful window. This is also very beautiful. This one, the stairs, you can see the wall, you can see the floor, you can see everything, pink color, very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the up, you can see beautiful lamp and all, very beautiful, good design. This is also very beautiful. You can see the candles and all, beautiful candles in bathroom, looking very beautiful, very good also. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, beautiful lights and all, looking very good, very attractive, very nice, also looking very expensive. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the floor, shining floor, the chair, the bathroom also, bathing there, very beautiful. This one you can see the floor, maybe washing or bathing, bathroom, very beautiful. This one you can see the pink color wall, the decoration, the design, the lights and all, very beautiful. The floor also very beautiful, looking very good. This one you can see the side lights, the mirror you can see, and the down you can see towel and all, very beautiful, very good also, looking very good. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment with and press the bell icon, so when I post my new video, the notification will get you first. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so comment me down. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.